Today in this video I'll explain to you what Metaverse is and how it works. What is the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a collective virtual shared space, created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual space, including the sum of all virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the internet. It's a new way to experience and interact with information. It's not just for gaming or entertainment anymore. The Metaverse is an environment that can be used for anything from socializing to business to education. What does virtual reality mean for our future? Virtual reality is an immersive computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly physical way by a person using special electronic equipment, such as a helmet with a screen inside or gloves fitted with sensors. The virtual reality (VR) market is growing at an unprecedented rate. VR has already been used in the medical field to help doctors perform surgery, and it's also being used to treat phobias. In the future, VR will likely be used for many more purposes, such as education and entertainment. Assessing business opportunities in virtual reality. Virtual reality is a new technology that has the potential to be revolutionary. It has the power to change how we communicate, how we consume information, and how we interact with one another. Businesses are now starting to take notice of this new technology and are eager to find a way to get involved in VR. There are some obvious opportunities for businesses in VR, but there will also be some less obvious opportunities that arise from this new technology. Metaverse platforms. One of the examples of a metaverse platform are Decentraland and Sandbox, which are one of the more popular platforms for people to spend time in. To participate on most of these types of platforms, you'll need your own crypto wallet. If you're looking for the full virtual reality experience, a laptop might not be enough. While smartphones and computers might be able to deal with games like Fortnite or Animal Crossing, they might not be powerful enough to handle the huge universes they look after. For example, the most popular multiplayer game sees millions of online players connected at any one time, and you would need a serious PC or laptop just to play. That's why Facebook's Metaverse vision includes users with Oculus VR headsets or augmented reality glasses. What can you do in Metaverse? You can a shared social space with avatars to represent users. On websites or social media networks, you are represented by your username or Insta handle or thumbnail picture. In the Metaverse, you're represented by a customizable avatar that can move, speak, and/or perform animated actions. You can have a common space for the avatars to live like humans. Every single user will share a single virtual world where items and property persist for everyone between online sessions. You can buy and sell virtual property as you would with physical property. This will work just like NFTs. People are using non-fungible tokens as a decentralized way to buy virtual goods, independent of any controlling authority or corporate server. You can create your own virtual property. Metaverse might be a fun way to create your own virtual space, but beware of letting users upload their own content because it could go horribly wrong. Likewise, it's best to have a system in place that lets the makers create metaverse content while maintaining some quality control. You will have 3D telepresence via VR or AR glasses. Many believe VR and AR devices will become the next step in reaching a metaverse state. We'll be able to break out of the flat screens we're bound to with virtual and augmented reality. This will bring us into a world where you can feel more in sense of reality as you're there with other 3D avatars in the same location. It'll feel like you're right in the room together making eye contact, having a shared sense of space and not just looking at a grid of faces on a screen, as Meta's CEO said. How will the evolution of virtual technology transform our lives? Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are technologies that are quickly transforming our lives. Both VR and AR have been used to create immersive experiences in various industries, including healthcare, education, and entertainment. Also, we can see how virtual reality has had a big impact on the way kids play games. The technology is already leading to immersive, intense gameplay, and soon it'll also be used as part of other areas of education. The use of interactive methods like audio and visual devices had already made learning fun.
Obviously, Metaverse is a very promising niche.
So, if you enjoyed the video, got some value from it and stuck around all the way to the end, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.